Years ago, I wanted to create what I felt would be exactly what it would look like if you could really do magic and vanish 3 coins. What that means is there would be no transferring back and forth, no weird grips, no ending phase that was weaker than all the others. When they were gone, they were legitimately gone. So before we talk about it, let me show you what one of the routines with Triad Coins can look like. So, 3 coins. First one. That's the first one. Take a look at the next one. Now you're watching me too close. No, I'm just kidding. And it's Triad Coins. So what you just saw is a trick with Triad Coins, but I don't want you to think of this as a trick. I want you to think of this as a utility item. You can use this in so many ways. For appearances, for vanishes, for matrix routines, for 3-fly, for countless different things. And I'm going to show you the ins and outs, the basics and the advanced techniques for all of it. And here's the great news. There are many coin tricks that are very difficult to do, that take years to master. This isn't one. You're going to get this very, very quickly. 10 minutes of mirror practice and you should be good to go. I don't know many tricks that take less than 60 seconds to perform and pack in this much visual magic, so I hope you enjoy Triad Coins.